My name is Mr. Louise. I'm from Mumbai, and I came to Kolhapur around 10 days ago. I've been suffering from asthma for the last 45 years, and I've always been on medication since the age of 8. And for the first time during my stay in Kolhapur, I have been bereft of medicines. I was on steroidal medications, but that was not necessary for me to use while I stayed at Anandkunj. And this morning I took a continuous walk uphill for more than a kilometer or so, which I would never have been able to do otherwise without stopping a few places. It has certainly benefited me, and I hope I will derive more benefits in the days to come. And I always had a dream to climb Mount Everest. When somebody told me, "What is your dream?" I would say I would love someday want to climb Mount Everest, but the problem that I had with breathing would never allow me to do so. Perhaps climbing Mount Everest now at my age, I'm 54 years old, is a distant dream, but I'm sure I will be able to conquer smaller mountains in the future. I look forward to my breathing problems completely being erased over time. I could safely say at this moment that I've achieved around 80% benefit.
So, what do you feel about Anandkunj?
Anandkunj is a very beautiful location around the countryside, and I think that played a very important role in my rejuvenation. It is free of pollution, and it was beautiful.
And what about SHIVAMBU fasting? What was the experience?
SHIVAMBU fasting was a challenge to me because I've never fasted in my life, so that was a big challenge. But I was able to overcome that challenge too, and I fasted for 7 days on water and SHIVAMBU.
So overall, you enjoyed 10 days of?
It was it was as if I was on a holiday kind of a thing, and I was very positive all the time, and I hope I continue this positivity, and I look forward to getting cured completely over the next couple of months at least.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much.